Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to create an account in Notion. So first head over to the page notion.com. Second, just click on Get Notion Free button. And here it will open up your AI workspace Create Your Notion Account page. And here simply you can choose how you want to create your account. So let's say you want to create your account with Google. You can also create with Apple, Microsoft, passkey, or single sign-in. If you want, you can also enter your work email address and create your account with that. So that's what I will do in this tutorial. So I will enter my work email and press continue. Now, simply you have to they send you verification code to your email address. So go to your email address and claim it. So now that I have my email address open, I will open up the email from Notion, and as you can see, here is the code. So let's say I will copy it, press it right here and press continue. So it is really simple to create your account. As you can see, you can also enter your name and set your password. So enter the name and set your password. So let's type it in real quick. And here you can add your profile photo and you can press continue if you are done with your changes. Now the Notion team will ask you how do you want to use Notion. So I will select for work, welcome to Notion for work. So you can select if you want to team or on your own. So let's say a team. So if you want to tell them about yourself, you have to select what you are. I am a creative. And you can always add more later if you want. So what you are planning to use. Motion, just choose whichever you want and press continue. Then you can start with your team, so you can invite the people or take it to Notion straight away. You can start free or choose a business plan. It is for 14 days for €0 if you want. You can also install desktop app or just skip it and use the web version. So thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.